You think 2027 is the deadline? Wrong. The real deadlines are stacked. 2025 for Compatibility Packs, 2027 for mainstream ECC support, 2030 for extended, and now 2033 if you buy SAP's Golden Ticket. That Golden Ticket? The ERP Private Edition transition option. Fancy name for move ECC to our cloud by 2030, pay us premium, and we'll keep it on life support 3 more years. For SAP, it's perfect. You pay for extended maintenance, then you pay for RISE, then you pay even more for the transition years. For you, it's a choice between an expensive bridge or a hard sprint to S4. If you wait until 2029 to decide, you've already lost. You'll be negotiating from your knees. The smart move? Map your entire SAP landscape now. Clean up licensing. Decide whether you're in the migration camp or the extension camp. And get your negotiation leverage lined up years ahead. Because when the clock hits 2031, SAP will be holding the keys to your business-critical systems. And if you haven't locked in terms, they'll be writing the price tag. And you'll be signing it.